there it is.
If you want to get out, get out. Alright, so here we are. We'll be here for a couple days, so I'm going to record you, show you guys what we're doing. We got all this we have to install. Cabinets, vanities, toilets, doors, trim work, lights, ceiling fans, a lot of different stuff that we got to put in. There's a lot of problems here. A lot of holes that got to be repaired. House was not kept up with. We had renters here. So there's a lot of work that's got to be done. Right now I've got Joey pulling out doors. You can see I already pulled the door off of this one. We're going to pull off the framing and everything for this. Same thing with this one. In here, this is Joey. Oh, in this bathroom, new mirror, vanity, toilet's going to get installed. I think it's got a new shower body too. And then Joey's in here. Yeah, another big hole. It's currently 2 o'clock. Way too early to call it a day yet, so I'm gonna pull out these vanities and mirrors behind me and replace all that. It's really a mess, but we gotta pull this out, so we'll probably do that today. And then probably pull this one out too. The vanity on this one is pretty bad, but the medicine cabinet's okay. She wants to change out the light, so we're just gonna clean that up pretty good. The light, clean that up pretty good. What we did today was I spackled everything, got a bunch of pieces of sheetrock cut out, all in here, all these holes, pretty big holes. I don't know if you guys can tell, I did a lot of work on this wall too. Down here, the house is in pretty bad shape, to be honest, but that's why we're here. We're gonna get it all fixed up. See those? Lots of spiders, lots of spiders. Spider webs all the way around. So I'll bring something tomorrow to knock those all down with. So this is the end of day one. We got a lot of spackling done. All holes are patched up. This room, we got some stuff to put away still. Still gonna be fun. We gotta pull down that mirror still. And put a vanity and a new mirror in there. But we're all almost set for today. A lot of work. Tomorrow we'll hopefully get the vanities set, then the toilets, and we'll go from there. Right now I got Joey loading up my truck. Struggling to pick it up a little bit. He's a little slow. But I don't know what he's doing. Maybe we should stop recording. Why is he walking around with his shirt up? Sometimes I question what this kid does. All right, he's back to work. He might have saw me, maybe not. He's picking up one door. Let's watch him pick up the door. He can do it. Macho, macho man. Disrespecting my trailer though. He stepped on a door and tried to pick it up at the same time. He is not the smartest kid. Look, I'm just throwing it in there. Disrespecting the trailer. Disrespecting the trailer. Oh my gosh. Blatant disrespect. I'm surprised he hasn't noticed me by now. We're just gonna watch him for a bit longer. Loading up those doors. Last door. Again, he picks it up over his head, drops it into the trailer. One final push to make sure it's really in there. Now he's looking at the door jambs. He's picking it up. He realizes that's one big ass piece. Does he break it down into a smaller piece? No, he just throws it right into the trailer in one big piece. Nice, nice, stacking up nicely. Hopefully none of this comes out while we're driving, 70 miles down the highway. He's picking up all the trim now. He might have noticed me recording him. Nope. Hair flip, back to picking up more trim. His small hands are having a hard time really picking up the wood. Let's zoom in here for a second. We'll just check out those small hands as he struggles to pick stuff up. Okay. Hard time carrying them. He needs to get bigger man hands. Check out his feet. How's that for some feet action? It's a big piece for him. He's almost done. Got a little bit more left, but I'm going to go help him, give him a hand. We'll get out of here, bring this stuff to the dumps, and then we'll call it a Well, as always, thank you guys again for watching. I'm out of here for today, but I will be back tomorrow, so make sure you guys check out part 2 of my vlog. I'll make sure I have it uploaded as soon as possible, all right? Have a good day, guys.